How to change live caption, text size, and color style on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, tap on live caption. Then we scroll down and tap on caption preferences. In here, go down and tap on caption size and style. And then to change the text size for your live caption, tap on text size. In here, you can choose between very small, small, normal to large, and very large. Select one of the options. And to change the caption style and color, you can choose the default one, or yellow on blue, or yellow on black. So we can test it out after we make the change. So here I will open up a voice file. This is a test of live caption. Now it's not showing live captions because maybe I have switched it off. So we go back in here and we will turn it on. So use live caption. And then we go back in here. We play the audio. This is a test of live caption. And that's it. So that is what it looks like when you make the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.